Here are 5 business activities that bookkeepers do, but accountants do not do. Before we get started, accountants can do this, but normally they won't do it because it doesn't fit their scope, but they can do it. So let's get started. The first one is bookkeepers. We track every income that comes into the business, whether it's a complicated way of doing it or whether it's an easy way. If you're getting paid, we make sure you're getting all that money in. And we also classify it correctly. The second thing that bookkeepers do is we track every expense, and I mean every expense. To give you an idea, we track interest payments. So if you owe interest, we track that as well. We track invoices, that anything that you have to pay that leaves the business, we track it. We also categorize it on your end to make sure that you're reporting it correctly. Number 3, we inform you on what's going on in the business. So let's say, for instance, if you have an outstanding invoice, we will let you know, hey, you need to pay this, or if someone has to pay you. So it's a daily communication sometimes, and sometimes even weekly, monthly. However the flow of your business matters, that's how we communicate to you. But we keep you informed of what's going on from a financial standpoint. Number 4, probably one of the most important, we make you very organized in the sense of everything that's coming in and everything that's coming out, we put it in the right buckets. So for instance, if you have amortization, we're gonna put that in the right bucket for you on the balance sheet and classify under which asset it needs to go under. Anything, and there's probably 100 more other classifications, we make sure that everything is going in correctly and everything is going out correctly, just to keep you organized and well informed. And the last one, and probably one of the best, bookkeepers review all inputs. What does that mean, right? If something is coming into your business, we're gonna know about it and we're gonna let you know about it. A lot of time, entrepreneurs and business owners cannot know because they're just too busy running their business, but this is our job, this is what we do. So whatever that goes in the business or goes out of the business, any economic activity that goes within the business in general, we know about it firsthand because we're monitoring is what we do. If that helps, like this video and look forward to hearing from you for more tax tips, bookkeeping tips, and hope to see you soon.